Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie. In today's video, we are going to play with products that are $10 and under. All of these items are from Profusion. They are nice enough to send me some of the products that they just launched. These are new products, more of like their summer collection. So if you guys want to check them out and see what my personal thoughts are, then please keep on watching. So as always guys, we are going to start off with the brows. So we are going to dissect this baby first. This is around $4.99, something like that, probably like $5. This is the light to medium 8-piece brow defining kit, and when you look at the packaging, it's very well made. It's super cute, and you even have some instructions in the back. You will be getting a tweezer, the brow palette, pencil, and the clear mascara for the brow. Let me show you one by one. Tweezer. Here you got your brow pencil, mascara for the brows. You have your brow palette. You have this great looking like and a little soft brown right over there, a brow bone highlight, and a brow primer. And you also get a dual-sided brush right over here, which is really nice. Oh, in all fairness guys, the brush is not shitty at all, so I'm gonna use this one to test it out. It's not the flimsiest thing that you'll ever see. I think this will last me for a while at least, because most of the time, like for example from an eyeshadow palette, the ones I just dispose them because they are failing me in life, but this one I feel like it's a little convincing. Let's see. That I'm going to make an outline using the brow pencil. So right here, as you guys could see, I'm just doing my regular brow routine. Nothing really special, just outlining at the bottom and at the top. I am going to comb that. So all of the buildup from my hair, I could have combed my brows first, huh? Ooh, that looks nice. Should I put a powder still? So with this one, I think you can either just do these two, or you can do the back, or you can do the palette. So just like what I did with the brow pencil, I'm gonna be doing the exact same thing with this powder. I think the brow powder needs to be a little darker for me, in my personal preference, but it shows. Now let me fill in this side. I actually love the pencil. Ooh, doesn't have any smell, which is nice. I know I look crazy right now, nothing really special. I just concealed my brows to make it more defined, to make it more like a little more arched and clean. So can you believe that this palette is only $10? They have different types of types of palette, and this is the sienna. I think they have released 4 or 3. I hope that we drop by at Target later today and I will buy them and I will review them for you guys if you guys want. Please comment down below if you guys are interested. So this is the siennas. Look at that. The packaging is amazing. There are instructions in the back. It is cruelty free. So if you guys are allergic to something, you can just check it out right over here. Can we please have a moment right over here on how beautiful this is? Like, when I saw this, how is this even $10, you know? But then again, it's like possible, like ColourPop can do it, but with this amount of eyeshadow, and I have tried Profusion eyeshadows in the past, and I was like highly impressed, especially like their new releases. Oh my goodness, like, you know what? I'm gonna shut up and let's play with this palette. It also comes along with a dual-sided applicator, and there is no shedding. I tried to like do that earlier today, and there is no shedding at all. There is a really nice dense brush right over here, perfect for the metallics, and this one is for the crease or for your overall wash color. And look at this. The intensity is just really like that. The colors are like, it's like really right there on your face. It's just so beautiful. Profusion really leveled up when it comes to their packaging and the formula. I'm so excited. Hopefully this one will, you know, take my breath away, same as the last eyeshadow palette or face palette that I have tried with them last time. So guys, before we put this on our eyes, just want to give you guys a closer look with the eyeshadow swatches. I don't have anything in the back of my hand, and I did swatch it only one time. The colors are there. Like, you can literally see the colors are really nice. Like, some of the metallics are creamy and the matte shadows are a little dry. You can feel a little bit of texture on it, but look at that. The color is there, it's not playing. It has even more like pigmentation than the other drugstores that have been in the market for a really long time. I don't even want to say that, but it's true. Look at that. All right, chap chap, let's go ahead and play. I'm gonna start off with the shade Polite. There are so many nice colors, I can't even pick straight right now. I'm gonna get the shade Serendipity. It is this really nice bright yellow shade, and I'm just going to apply that directly on my crease. So I want a really nice, very sunny, summery transitioning going on in my eye. Ooh, guys, did you see that? Ooh. That. Oh wow. This is amazing. Let me get Cryptic. So Cryptic, this is Cryptic. I'm gonna get that shade. Also gonna pop that on my crease. We really need to go to Target. Alright, so next I'm going to get the shade Daring, and then I'm going to follow it up with Dapper. These are just really nice, warm colors. They're so beautiful. I'm gonna use another brush for that one so that we can really see all of the drama happening in our life. Ooh. Okay, you guys can clearly see that, right? Now I'm gonna put some color on my entire lid, so it is best if you use your fingers for these metallics. They do have a little bit of like wet consistency, so yeah, I really think that the warmth of your finger will really help a lot. But I'm using a synthetic flat brush right now, which is really nice and dense, so it helps as well. Alright guys, I am back. I literally just applied a basic eyeliner and then applied some Salon Perfect 615 lashes. They're not super thick, and the reason why I did that is so that you can see like the whole entire look that we have on right now. And if my eyes look so uneven, they are just really naturally uneven, so yeah. So I'm gonna get the shade Bite. This is a really nice metallic raspberry color, and then I'm going to apply that under my eyes to give it a little like to give it a really nice smoky raspberry look. Oh my goodness, that didn't even make any sense, but we'll go on with that. And then apply some mascara. So this is the next product that we are going to play with. I believe this is around $10, and this is called the Sculpt and Glow. You will be getting 7 radiant highlighters, 2 sculpting contours, and a sculpting brush. And again, it also has like an image in the back. It's a really nice reference, and it has a little tutorial that comes along with it. Let's remove this little plastic cover. It's what protects the product, so it's really nice. The packaging is really nice and simple. You can see what you are going to get. There is no mirror. I don't know if you guys mind about that. So the brush is similar to the NARS brush that I have seen. I've been seeing a lot of brushes like this. I actually do not own one. So, let me start with the light contour first. Let's see if the light contour is already enough. I like the fact that the color is not like super golden, like orangey. It's not gonna make you like Oompa Loompa-ish. It's barely showing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the medium sculpt. The color actually reminded me of the Smashbox contour kit, which is really nice. It's really, I'm not used to this type of brush for contouring, I must say, but it's pretty handy for the nose contour. See how quick that was? That is super quick. Ooh, are you guys liking this? Oh my gosh, I'm feeling myself. I'm not even done, but I'm feeling myself already. Let me give you guys some swatches of the highlighters because I know you guys wanted to see what they look like as well. So those are the first 3 highlighters. Let me go ahead and swatch the last 3 shades. Oh my goodness. Wow, 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 wow. All right, and then let me use the matte highlight in this palette. I'm gonna pop that under my eye to make me look like I'm awake and get my shit together. It's gonna make me look like I'm not crying for 3 hours. Could have put that on the highest panes of my face as well. Put a little bit over there. Chin. Little sculpted look right over here. And then let's check out the last face palette that I have here. Now this is $4.99. Same thing, clear package, 24 months to play with, instructions and ingredients in the back. Now this one you get a blush and a highlight. Pretty much most of the highlight shades are actually in this kit too, but this is more of like yellowy, but the rest of the highlight is pretty similar. Look how pretty that is. Yes, wow. Okay, let me swatch the blushes first. This one looks like, Fantasia looks like Orgasm. So this is Marvel, it's a little orangey, and this is Orgasm. I think I'm gonna try the Fantasia. Did I just said Orgasm? Fantasia looks like Orgasm, that's what I'm trying to say. Now let's try the highlighters. Lighting has a gold iridescent on it. Charming is the yellow undertone one, and you have Fizz. These are so beautiful and they are so highlighted. Whoa, boom, look at that. Did you guys see that? Sorry if I have the most boring reactions ever. If you guys are new here, please do not judge me. This is just me. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try Fantasia. I just barely tapped my brush. It's a little powdery. Just be careful on that. And let's see how that goes. Ooh, I grabbed too much. I'm gonna tap off the excess. It's powdery, so be careful. I can't barely see the rosy. Okay, there you go. I see it now. Oh, do you guys like that? You know what? Let me put a little bit of Marvel. I'm gonna use the 2 blushes together. I'm gonna mix them both. Okay, now if I use, because my blush is not matte, if I use a highlight, I might end up looking like a freaking disco ball, but let's do that. Who cares? Like, nobody knows me when I go out. Like, it's not like they were gonna say something about me. So let's take that risk. Everything right over here in the middle. I know that this is already gonna look like a right freaking line in my face, but I'm gonna try Charisma. Super, so pretty. Wow. Let me blind the haters. That is so good. Wow. Wow. Can you guys believe that? In this lip kit, you get a gloss, you get a lip liner, and you get a matte liquid lipstick. So let me swatch the lip liner. The lip liner is an automatic lip liner. Smells like candy, and let me show you what it looks like. Ooh, that is so pretty. And the color is actually my type because I love pink. I really love pink lipsticks. Now, this actually smells like the NYX lip butter cream. That is so pretty. I can't, okay? I can't even. Look at that. Can you see my smile? Like, I'm so excited with these. And then you got the Profusion Sparkling Lip Topper. Now, for the matte lip product, you have like a doe foot applicator. Now this one is more of like a brush. Smells like candy as well. Give you a really nice swatch right over here. Wow. It looks like a dazzle glass. Okay, let's try it. Okay. I love the lip color. Now let's move on to the matte lip cream. And that's what it looks like. Now let's try the sparkling lip topper. So this is the final makeup look that I have created today using all of the products that I have shown it to you guys. Again, everything is less than $10, which is amazing. So I'm really happy with the outcome, and they are very easy to use as well. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I have no complaints with everything that I have. Some of them are just a little powdery, but you know what? Just barely tap your brush and then you will be fine. So with the price point, with the packaging and everything, the quality, I can't really complain about it. It's just really so nice. I'm looking forward to go to Target today to grab more stuff from their collection. Let me know if you like these types of videos or not, or if you prefer me to upload early in the morning, or if you prefer me doing just like a voiceover, or if you like something like this that we are literally like talking to each other. Let me know and I will try my best to upload every day. I know, just hang in there, guys. We are still in that time of our life, like everything is just like a whirlwind. A lot of things are happening, okay? As much as I wanted to share it to you guys, it's just very dramatic, and I don't want to ruin any relationship that knows my channel, if I make any sense. So thank you guys for all of your patience, for all of your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.